The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Baca County in southeastern Colorado until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Walsh, or 14 miles east of Springfield, moving at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Walsh, Vilas. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.